Hey guys, in this video I'm going to let you know that how you can assemble this type of torch at home. After watching this video, you can repair any kind of torch like this at home. Before going further, let's talk about today's video sponsor GLCMC. GLCMC is your one-stop platform for sourcing high-quality mechanical components. GLCMC has over 6 lakhs plus products ready to power your next innovation with real-time stock, detailed specs and free 3D models. So whether you are making a robot arm, a DIY 3D printer, CNC blower or an automated system, GLCMC can provide all the mechanical parts you want. Register now using the link in the description and get $19 exclusive coupon to kickstart your project now. Now let's move on the project. I found these parts from garbage and I thought why not to rebuild it. The battery came in dead position, so I used a new battery instead of this. First, solder 2 wires on every component, which one will be connected to the main board, like battery, front LED and back LED.